Good morning. Checking the markets right now. But AI might change everything. But discipline, that's how you win. Today I'm gonna just give you guys a behind the scenes and walk through my day. In my last video, I talked about my conference that's coming on. Hang on a second. Oh, babies, give them their chicken so that way they can stay calm. Feel bad, we're gonna be leaving them most of the day today. I got my conference. All right, so I'll walk you guys through a little behind the scenes about just how the conference goes and how my day goes. We've got a jam-packed schedule. We've got a gala that we got to go to later as well too. It's for the conference, it's after the conference. So what I'll be talking about at the conference is more, it's like a 1 hour panel talking about entrepreneurship is applying AI and how it's changing the disciplines. I want to get to the meats and the bones of things. Hopefully I can discuss more about using it in a very effective way rather than having to spend large amounts of money for AI adoption. I really feel like it's incremental. You have to use it daily. I use it daily now. I talk about it with you guys. But applying it into crypto, making sure that you can use it for your investments, a bunch of other things like daily life habits, productivity. I think that's the main focus that everyone should use AI for, to help with productivity. But I'll talk about it some more. Markets are looking not pretty, but it is what it is, right? We just got to follow the trends. These are the charts. Last video I posted, actually this is probably going to post a little bit later, so we're good on that. I did get out at 316. It's at 3.9 right now, so I will probably get back in. I want to see if it dips a little bit more for XRP, guys. So just circling back, so for XRP, it's looking at pretty even $3 again. So I think right now it's very choppy in between the 318, 330, and then if it shoots above that, then we've got the 360 range. But if we go the legs below, then we're going to be looking for $3 all the way to 270. Those have been the support ranges. Resistance is going to be the 330 and then also the 360 next ranges. So we're going to be sitting in between that. That's what I see. We did dip a little bit below. Every time it dips, I'm just going to buy more for my moon bag and long-term holds. That's the plan, guys. We got QQQ. It's not doing so well. Let me see if you guys can see it. There you go. So the right is QQQ. Left is XRP. Not looking too pretty. Today is August 15th. But yeah, next clip, I'll show you guys behind the scenes at the conference. And again, this is going to be a little bit different. You're not going to be the regular sit down and vlog. So you guys get to see a little bit of the behind the scenes. It's my first conference, by the way. My first speaker event that I'll be at, speaking. So yeah, some feedback. All right, guys, catch you in a bit. Oh, this is looking really nasty. I got to leave this. All right, guys, let's get going. Hella late. Check the fit. Am I good? Wish me luck, guys. I'll catch you guys there. Hey, guys. Tommy Ho? Yeah. Sweet. Thank you.
Here are some toe pads for you guys.
Awesome.
I like the BGI.
Yeah, thanks, man. Vlogging for today. Let's see what's this. This. Let's see who else is gonna be. So we got all these vendors. Oh yeah, sure. Here, give me a second. Hey.
Hey.
Let's see who else we got. Got all this right here. These are all the speakers. Yeah. There's me.
Are we doing this? Or are we doing this? You tell me. Okay. Hi. How are you?
Over here. You can ask him. else we got? So we got Tempe Tourism. Got all sorts of vendors popping off. So I'm gonna be like a little bit quiet because like they have it's open seating and it's going on right now.
They didn't know each other. 6 months after they landed in New York City, a matchmaker put them together. A month later, they were married.
Yeah, that's me. It's me. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna put you away for a second. Alright guys, this preparation.
You know what? Just say it here. I'll grab it as soon as
Just leave it right here.
Yeah, thanks for that question, GK. I think, well, first, let me back up just a little bit. We are integrating AI technology and solutions into our SaaS offering, right? And so really, you know, the economics of that is obviously going to be streamlined through the subscription of our software. So that kind of covers the tech side. But what I gather what you're talking about is more kind of traditional service oriented on the operations side, right? And I think the way to think about that maybe perhaps is, yeah, there is going to be maybe in the beginning an increased utilization of you know, the resources to ramp up and learn to use that AI. But I think the assumption is that over time, those efficiencies, you'll see economies of scale, right, with those practices, with the, you know, all of the different AI tools that you use. And I think, really, I think I'm not a CFO, so I really can't tell you the financial model that would make sense. But really logically thinking through it, I think it's really level of effort still, right? What is the level of effort that it's going to take? And is it going to, when are you going to hit that economies of scale, right? Those are kind of the considerations, I feel like.
Yeah. One of the things that, we're still trying to figure it out in general, but what I would say is more so on the outcome, you know, of things, of what that's gonna give you on result based. That's how I would look at it, you know, and then it's a tool set. And then the rest of it is just, hey, let's say if you have 8 hours to work, but with AI you can do it in 2 hours. You still bill, you know, that 8 hours. So, any thoughts?
I think it depends on your services, right? Like if you're an attorney, and let's say you're using AI to.
Well, that wraps up. We are about done. So, thank you for the time. Thank you, everyone.
Like why they love a trash sports team that hasn't won anything in years. I'm not going to say any teams should do that.
Uh-oh. I'm stuck in these bushes, guys. What's up? Probably the next clip, but we ended up going to the lake after the long conference. But we got our wedding to go to tonight, so I'll kind of take you guys with that. Wanted to get to the lake to get some nice cool weather. But yeah, guys, I'll show you guys here in a bit, but here with a couple of friends and just wanted to catch a good day. If you guys are struggling, please take a break. You know, if you have anywhere that you like to go, or just try something new, you know, like do something different, go take a break, because that's gonna make discipline a lot easier. You know, you're just gonna be able to reset yourself and then get shit done. But just make sure, like, you know, at the end of the day, we focus, but we focus with the purpose, right? So that's a part of what I teach. All right, guys, let's continue this day. Let's see how motivational I'll be after this trip, or after this day. This is fucking tiring. I had a long ass day yesterday. Low key, I'm pretty tired. It was like to get up to here, we had to go through like a bunch of fucking mountain hills. But it was a blast, you know, I just took the truck out and then just drove it around. So, it's all good here. But, cheers guys. I wonder how deep this is. I think it is. Wow. Oh, wow. What do you guys think is under there? Alright guys. See you guys in the next clip. Remember, stay disciplined. Alright guys, we're back and we're working out. I apologize that there's no like structure to this, but let me at least see if I can get some points out to you guys. I think before this clip, we were at the lake talking about some discipline. That was point 1. This is gonna be tailoring that point 1 as well too. So what I wanna get out to you is not every day is gonna be like, and you feel this, you know, not every day is gonna be like the up and up, you know, like your motivation's gonna dip. But what you gotta do is, going back to the other point, is focusing on discipline. There's always gonna be, you know, when you feel demotivated, things are gonna happen. Life happens, I understand that. You know, I'm not opposed to it. Sometimes you're gonna be in your own thoughts. But why not be in your own thoughts and just trying to better yourself in general? Like, this is just my outlet to clear things out. Even if I'm happy, you know, like, I still get a workout in. When I'm sad, I still get a workout in. When I'm angry, still get a work. It's discipline, right? That's one of the main things, like making your bed when you wake up and get ready. Again, no script. Usually, I don't script things out, but I have like an outline. And what I want to get out to you guys is just the raw footage right now that I'm probably going to just dump everything in together. And toss it out there, you know, so that way I have something to reference for myself, just to hold myself accountable. We had the conference, you know, it was a great outcome. Like, the conference was awesome. This is my first ever, you know, being able to moderate, you know, for some really high level executives. And I think it was pretty exciting. You know, I'll kind of list out a couple things after we get this workout done here. I wanted to discuss about my thoughts on it, and then what other opportunities are going to come out of it. You know, I don't know, but I know it sparked something in me, so I'm going to keep it going. You know, I'm going to keep that rhythm going. What up, guys?
Trước mặt cha có song thân của chú rể là ba chú rể là Lê Thanh Tường và mẹ chú rể là Hoàng Thị Kim Yến.
I have no clue what he's saying, but this is the same dude that did my buddy's wedding and fucked up like hella
Bên cạnh đó
bad.
thì có em trai, có chị hai là Lê Tường Khanh và anh rể là Nguyễn Anh Quân. Xin mời lên đây.
I think he said brother-in-law. He said brother-in-law? Okay. Brother and sister.
Gái là Thủy Nguyễn.
Here you guys. I think that's enough, right? Catch you guys in a bit. You guys ready?
Where's the bride?
All right, more high back. Yo! We go. Thank you.
What'd you do in Vegas?
That's some bomb ass soup right there.
Nice.
This right here
Backstreet Boys.
is like the Asian bruschetta's board.
I told my friend that we have to go. Live out our millennial dreams.
It's just the appetizers, guys. So
Wait, what?
sorry if it's too loud too.
Like,
Yeah, look at this. One of the appetizers.
It was like in a group.
Yo.
How many balls are here?
Ball, you know? And then I always come for my friends.
Hey, ready to go?
And once I
This is where the money's at.
How many views, like, your most like popular video?
Like 20,000.
20K views. Yeah, very good. That's a lot of people.
Who's up here right now?
All right, guys. Catch you guys later. Thank you.
Oh, is this how